What's going on, guys? BDD Crypto here. If you like crypto mining, if you like crypto, hit the subscribe button, hit the likes, leave us a comment below. In today's video, we are gonna be doing a little part 3 video to the gaming PC turned into a mining rig. We basically bought a gaming PC on OfferUp for $300 and we're gonna turn it into a mining rig. Do it all on this frame right here, so stick with us. Alright guys, so we got our frame, got our motherboard from the gaming PC, power supply from the gaming PC, there's the graphics card. We'll probably end up switching it out for a 580 as that's only a Radeon 460 I believe it was, 2GB card, so that's kind of useless. But yeah, so we already got CPU, RAM in there, all that good stuff. We'll get this stuff all mounted up, and then we got our SSD there with Hive OS, and we'll get it all fired up. So stick with us here. Alright, there we go. So we got 24 pin connected, CPU power connected. We have SSD in. I gotta go connect the SSD to the motherboard, but we got power, SATA going to that. We got our PCIe split, one for our riser and then one for the top of the card there. And then we have basically our riser plugged into our PCIe lane right there. So everything's all connected up. We're gonna get this thing plugged in, fired up, hooked up to the monitor. We're gonna get into the BIOS and see what we can find out for a couple settings here. So stay with us. So now let's fire this guy up. Slide it back in here. There she goes. Alright guys, so we got it all booted up. There's Hive, jumped on there. We are going to do capital N for setup, Wi-Fi for no, as we're plugged into Ethernet. Now it wants us to type in our URL from our worker. So we're gonna go set up our worker on Hive, and then we're gonna punch that in real quick. Alright guys, so here we are on Hive, and go over to Shop Farm here, and there we go. Looks like our new rig is online, showing 580. We set up a flight sheet for it, so there you go. that's how you build a gaming PC into a mining rig. And now it's only got one GPU on it, but now you could slowly start adding GPUs as you feel necessary and so on. So yeah, appreciate you watching, guys. Don't forget to hit the like, subscribe if you haven't, leave a comment below if you have any questions, and we will catch you next time. Peace.